Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I having one Hitachi washing machine. It is top loading 20 kg machine. This machine having problem, machine not working at all. That's mean it's showing error message C8 error. We have to check the problem according to the manual. Everything everybody know the C8 mean door lock, but we have to check properly whether door lock damage or defect or any other issue, the main control issue. We have to check properly. After that only we can recognize. We have to troubleshoot the problem first of all. After then only we can give the permanent solution. Now we have to check. We will go for the next step. Already given power connection, and we will on the power, and now I'm selecting only the spin cycle. We have to cancel the wash cycle like this. We can cancel also rings also I cancel. Now only the spin 6 minutes showing through the display. Now I'm closing door and start the machine. Now the blinking 6 minutes, but here showing through the display showing 7 minutes. You can see the error message. It's showing already C8 error message. Also door lock indicator. Door lock indicator already showing here, but C8 also showing the 100%. We know the problem. Door switch, otherwise main control, otherwise harness assemble. Sometime we can find the bitten by the red wire. Everything we have to check A to Z. What is the problem exactly? Now we will open the panel and we will check error occurring continuously C8. That's mean it's showing here indicator door lock. It should be actually it's while we are switching on, switch power off, at that time it should go, but this one this indicator not going. Here already door showing lock mode. Because of that we have to remove and check. After that we can decide what we can do. While we have to remove the top cover now. This is two side here, left hand side. This side only having a screw. We have to remove the screw first. Screws, and I can list. I can take it up like this. Now we can we will remove the door lock first. After that we can check here screw here. Now we can check this door switch. It's already got struck, I think, and we can repair this one. No need to replace also, and we will try to repair this first. After that we will decide it is replace or not. Anyway, now we will remove the door switch here. We can remove like this. Now I already remove, and now we can check here. This one why is not working. Remove and check this one. Here lock. Again. Spin देगा. Now we can check the continuity this motor. It should be the DC power, but continuity not showing because this one already gone. Because of that we have to replace the new one. We cannot repair, it's not the repairable this one. This one already gone. I'm given separately DC power, but it's not working. Anyway, we have to replace the door switch. This motor already gone, and we will replace and check. This one from my shop, I found one door switch. I can check it is whether working or not because this customer is very hurry. He need today this machine itself, but if I'm ordering, it will take long time. Because of that, we will check this door switch. If it is working, we can hand over to the customer. And I'm fixing here. Also here. And I will give the power again. Now I given already power. Also it's already came only direct spin, and I'm closing door, and again I'm selecting I'm start post pressing here. This door switch is okay, it's working fine, it's already lock. This one came out, that means it's lock position. Drain motor also working now. Six-minute blinking, 7 minutes remain showing. Door already lock. Now it should run the machine. You can see the drum is rotating. My screwdriver is inside. Again, finally we have to check. We already replaced the door switch. That's been lid lock. And I'm given again power. And I have to cancel wash cycle and ring cycle. And I'm closing lid again. And start the machine. Working continuously. Now it's a running machine. Now start spin cycle. Now it's blinking 6 minutes. Here showing through the display 7. Now okay, it's increasing RPM. Now our job already completed. We can hand over to the customer. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video. Today I show already what is the exactly error message C8. I think you learned something. No need to call always to technician by at your home. By yourself also you can resolve the problem. And thanks for watching my channel again. We will meet with another video shortly. Thanks.